Electric cars are revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. As awareness of the environmental impact of traditional cars grows, more people are turning to electric cars as a cleaner, more sustainable option. In this video, we'll explore the rise of electric cars, their benefits, and how they are changing the automotive industry. So take yourself comfortable and welcome to the Top First channel. One of the most significant benefits of electric cars is their environmental impact. Traditional cars emit harmful gases and particulates that contribute to air pollution, which can cause respiratory problems and other health issues. They also emit greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. In contrast, electric cars produce zero emissions while driving, which means they don't contribute to air pollution or greenhouse gas emissions. This makes them a more sustainable option for transportation, which is essential for reducing our carbon footprint and combating climate change. Another benefit of electric cars is their efficiency. Traditional cars are powered by internal combustion engines, which are not very efficient at converting fuel into usable power. In fact, only about 20% of the energy stored in gasoline is converted into power that can move the car forward, while the rest is lost as heat and other forms of energy. In contrast, electric cars convert around 60% of the energy stored in their batteries into usable power. This means that electric cars are much more energy efficient than traditional cars, which can help to reduce the cost of driving and the demand for fossil fuels. Electric cars are also becoming more affordable. While they were once considered a luxury item, prices have been dropping in recent years as more manufacturers enter the market and competition heats up. Additionally, governments and other organizations have been offering incentives to encourage people to buy electric cars, such as tax credits, rebates, and free charging stations. As a result, more people are able to afford electric cars, making them a more accessible option for consumers. The rise of electric cars is also changing the automotive industry. As traditional car manufacturers compete with newer electric car companies, they are investing more in research and development to improve battery life, increase range, and reduce the cost of electric cars. This is leading to more innovation and progress in the field of electric cars, which will likely lead to even more affordable and efficient electric cars in the future. One of the most significant challenges facing the adoption of electric cars is the lack of charging infrastructure. While electric cars can be charged at home, many people don't have access to a dedicated charging station, which can make it difficult to travel longer distances. However, this is changing as more charging stations are installed in public places such as parking lots, shopping centers, and highways. Additionally, advancements in battery technology are improving the range of electric cars, making them more practical for longer trips. Another challenge facing the adoption of electric cars is the limited selection of models. While there are many electric cars available, the selection is still limited compared to traditional cars. Additionally, electric cars may not be suitable for everyone's needs, such as those who frequently travel long distances or those who need to tow heavy loads. However, as more manufacturers enter the market and competition increases, we can expect to see more options and innovations in the field of electric cars. In conclusion, electric cars are a promising solution to the environmental and economic challenges facing the automotive industry. Their zero emissions, energy efficiency, and affordability make them a more sustainable option for transportation, while their increasing popularity is driving innovation and progress in the field. While there are still challenges to overcome, the rise of electric cars is a positive development that has the potential to transform the way we think about transportation and the environment. I hope that you liked the video, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to be in touch with newest cars news.